throughout DDC you can see abbreviations for this general works: GENWKS, social, sociology, SOC for sociological, etc. SPC for specific jurisdictions, ST for saint, SCA for C also, and spec for specific, OT for Old Testament of Bible. So Bible is divided into two, New Testament and Old Testament, and all the states of USA have been given in abbreviated form. Example, IA for Iowa, CA for California, like that. And through DDC you can also find some useful notes in the schedules. For example, we'll see few notes available in DDC. Let us go to page number. Let us go to the main class number 330, economics. Under 330 economics, you can see a note explaining the concept of economics, the science of human behavior as it relates to utilization of scarce means for satisfaction of needs and desires through production, distribution and consumption. So this kind of this kind of note is called as a definition note. So this will define the particular subject and this will give more clarity on the particular subject. Then let us go and look under 370.158. 37 is for education, first two digits education. 370.158 is psychological effects of education, under which you can see a explanation: effects on students of school situation, teaching methods and other factors. So they have given this note to increase the scope of the subject. So actually when we see the title, we understand this is related to education and this is related to psychological effects of education. Okay, and they have expanded the expanded the scope of the subject as effects on students of school situations, teaching methods and other factors. So this is called as scope note and inclusion note. There is another third note called as inclusion note. Let us go and check under 398.47. 398.47 goes under which you can see a note including haunted places. That means for haunted places also you can use this 0.47. When you see this 0.47, you should not forget, you have to read it along with the 398. So the first goes, the class number should be, for ghosts the class number should be this 398.47. Okay, so for analysis what will you do? You have to take the first two digit. What is 39? 39 stands for customs. Okay. Analysis 390. Customs, etiquette and folklore. Okay. And what is 398? The number answer is 398.47. 390 customs. What is 398? folklore. Right. 398 is folklore. Folklore. Right. Then what is 398.4? The paranatural. Here it is. 398 is on top of the page, and here you can see 398.4. The paranatural. You can put dot also. And what is that? 0.48. You need not repeat this 398 here also. You can leave that also. 0.4 means 398.4 only. 0.47 GHOSTS. So this same goes if you look at it in the index. Please remember this number 398.47. Look under those GHOSTS. You can see here under goes folk literature, sociology, 398.47 is there. Okay, sometimes the title they may be given as haunted places. Let us go and check under HAUN. Let us go and look under. Suppose instead of giving title as goes, if you have a title as haunted places, then you can see the direction given in DDC itself. Haunted places, C also goes. Suppose if this is also not available, ghost is also not available, haunted places is also not available, then it will be very difficult for a classifier to classify that particular subject without the book in hand. So in such cases, you, by your experience, you decide what would be the main class, whether it would be in the social sciences or pure sciences. Definitely by seeing the title you can decide it is social science. So the first number should be 3. Then what is the next option? Under 3, what are all the subjects available under 3? What are all the subjects available under 3? Again we are coming to the basics. Statistics, political science, economics. What would be the subject under social sciences? The ghost will come. This ghost will come under political science or social science or this one. So you can decide easily. This may come under 390 customs or FOCO. So these are all some stories only, no? You can easily decide. So after that you have to come to the schedules and search in schedule each and every entry in the schedule to find the number for ghosts or haunted places. So this is rarest of rare case. In your examination they will give you the key terms, at least the key terms which you can relate it easily, or you can find alternative key terms easily. Okay, don't worry about that. Let us hope for the best. Then another note. So this ghost is also called as included. This note is called as inclusion note. You can see in this note only ghosts including haunted places. So this is called as inclusion note. Then another note is there, 576 microbes. Let us go to 576. Microbes. You can see a note here, class here microbiology. So this note is called as class here note. For microbiology also you can use the same number 576. For microbe also the class number is, class number means classification number. So for microbes the class number is 576. For microbiology also the class number is 576. That is the purpose of class here note. And another note is called as class in note under 181.4. India under 181.4. So again I have mentioned it clearly. You should not read this alone as 0.4. You should read it along with the previous three numbers. 181.4 India. So when you see only this India, you cannot find which subject it is. So you have to read this India along with the previous one. What is that 181? What is that previous one? Oriental. Okay. What is that one? Oriental India. What is that 18 stands for? 18 stands for ancient medieval Oriental philosophy. Now you come to the subjects. This is philosophy of ancient India. So you should read this number with the previous entries. Please don't forget that one. So only this India will not give any subject name. You have to read it along with the previous entries. Okay, 1 stands for philosophy, 18 stands for ancient Oriental philosophy, and 181 particularly this Oriental philosophy. Okay, of India. That's all. So now 181.4 stands for Oriental philosophy of India. That's all. Okay. So under India, you can see a note, class philosophy of Pakistan and Bangladesh in 181.15. So this is to give you more clarity. They have given like this. So for Pakistan philosophy, don't mix it up. We have another number 181.15. Okay, this is called as class in note. Another one is 181.45. Under here itself you can see 181.45 under yoga, philosophy of yoga in India. So this yoga, again I am repeating, this yoga you have to read it along with the previous number. What is the previous number? 0.4. Upon this one you have to read it along with Indian yoga. 0.45 is yoga, but this 0.4 stands for India. So it becomes Indian yoga. Understand? And this 181 becomes Oriental philosophy. So the full title becomes philosophy of Oriental philosophy of yoga in India. So that is the idea of classification, under which you can find a note. For physical yoga, C613.7046. For Hindu yogic meditation, C294.543. So this 181.45 yoga is only related to philosophy. For medical related yoga or physical fitness related yoga, you have to go and look under 613. That is medical sciences. Okay, 6 stands for applied sciences and this 61 stands for medical sciences. And the same yoga, if it is related to what? Related to religion, then you must look under 294. Understand? So this is called as Farsi note.